Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm John.
I'm Alan. Imagine how your business would grow if you could have all of your favorite speakers and instructors in one place and take your pick of courses to attend.
If you could meet leading brokers and agents from all around the country and learn how they are succeeding.
If you could find cool tools that will set you apart from your competitors.
If you could get pumped up and motivated to make next year a great success.
If you could get a needed break for some relaxation and fun and do it all in one long weekend.
You could have all this and more by attending the National Association of Realtors Conference and Expo in San Francisco, November 8th through 11th.
There is simply no other experience where you can learn so much in so little time.
And you'll enjoy a fun-filled Realtor celebrity concert with Pentatonics, an inspirational program with Billie Jean King, and more.
Education, networking, motivation, and fun. It's all waiting for you this November 8th through 11th right here in San Francisco. Visit www.conference.realtor for full details, including speakers, events, the expo, and special hotel discounts.
See you in San Francisco.